What's good, everybody? I was streaming live on Twitch, checking out some amazing dope-ish, and then RM dropped Lost! Exclamation point, official MV. He also dropped his album as well, Right Place, Wrong Person. I'm hella excited because I saw Domodachi featuring Lil Sims. I love Lil Sims, first of all. We also got another feature, Moses Sumney. That sounds so familiar. We got Credit Roll, Heaven, Groin. Nuts and Groin. That's kind of crazy. Namjoon's brain. Inside Namjoon's brain. See, that's a thing that I would love to explore. I feel like I might be a little scared, but also I'm very curious to see what's inside his brain. Also, be sure to check out the Patreon. I'll probably post the first listen on Patreon, actually. It will be for free for all. You just gotta be a follower. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Inside Namjoon's brain. Without further ado, RM Lost, official MV. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm kind of nervous. So, it starts off as like a claymation. Is that RM like going through his brain? Well, this is the Lost show starring RM with two hosts.
Good evening.
Okay.
좋은 저녁이에요.
Presenting his new solo single.
Whoa.
Lost.
I'm lost.
저는
The
이
hell?
노래를 너무 좋아요.
그는 오늘 밤 우리 위해 공연해요.
Oh, what the?
Performing for us tonight.
Give it up for RM.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, this is gonna be different. Oh my god. Bring me into your mind, RM. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's getting weird. Oh! Okay, this is trippy already. Oh my god, look at all the buttons. That's my biggest fear, getting trapped in the elevator. Why is my heart racing, bro? Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Bruh. Yeah, pick it up. Hey, hey. The animation is kind of fire. It's like Simpson eyes. Ooh, that beat is kind of crazy. Before you hit the club. If this is what's in Namjoon's mind, his thought process. Oh, it's like slanted. Okay. What temptation? That wild looks so good right now. Okay, there we go. It's almost like a game, like a bird's eye point of view. There's some actors and actresses that I can't recognize, I think. Who's the vocalist in the background too? Ooh. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh. Bro, this could be its own movie.
got temptation. I got temptation. I got temptation. I got temptation.
It's just the smile for me. Oh, that's where he, oh, whoa, hey yo. Where we going?
That was.
Incredible.
If it's supposed to make you feel like you lost, then you got me.
Lost is out everywhere.
Give it up for RM.
It gives me, you know what? It reminds me a little bit of Tyler the Creator too. But like in RM's world. Did they just get lost? I mean, left there?
I got temptation. I got temptation.
Ooh. Oh, wait.
I got temptation.
Oh, I love the credits. Holy shit. This is well thought out. I wonder how much creative control for like the music video that RM has. I wonder, unless it was like, who it? You know when my heart's racing when I watch this and listen to this, because I can't predict what's gonna happen, and it excites me. It's been a while since I had that type of feeling too. In a minute. It's like a short film. It's a short. RM is in his Steve Lacy Tyler Creator bag. Yeah, I could see that. I could see that. So, if you're wondering who I'm talking to my Twitch chat. Where you're probably watching this on YouTube if you are, but if you're in Twitch chat, hello everybody. This video is a bit unsettling, and I think that was one of the. No, it makes me feel lost. Like from the freaking beginning, it makes me feel uneasy. First of all, this part is kind of dope. I like this. I like this a lot. I mean, a mind is a labyrinth of like possibilities. I mean, from the last one that came out earlier on, he was in a labyrinth. Like it was like different sides of his mind, right? So this is a different side to his mind.
Good evening. 좋은 저녁이에요.
Presenting his new solo single.
Lost.
He also has Pharrell Williams NERD too, Dre. What do you mean, like the feeling? I can see that. I can see his inspirations here too.
Performing for us tonight.
Give it up for RM.
Who's this singer? Who's that voice? That's it. She has a really nice voice too. Bro, RM's RM though, bro. And at the end of the day, Namjoon. Did her eyes roll back here? Oh no, he just looks to the side. Hey yo. Hey, that's a good look on you, bro. This is crazy. And the way that how this is like how it ends is where he turns and looks. That part right here, I don't know what that's called, but it adds a nice little touch to it. It's like different versions of something. They all say RM. Huh. I'm just looking at everything. Right what? Wrong person. Right place, wrong person is 44. Listen, I'm not trying to decipher anything. Damn, that's still scary to me. I just feel like the smiling from that person is so unsettling to me.
정신 차려보니 어느새 낯선 걸.
The bass is killing it too. And this like bird's eye view shot kind of feels like video gamey as well. Almost like a Sims feel. Throw it in the trunk. That's fire. Yeah, it has like the Simpsons kind of eyes too. Ooh. Ah, damn. I feel like this is gonna be my favorite album. If it's gonna, I don't think it's gonna all sound like this, but I already am in love with Lost. As like just a sit down, listen, do some work while editing type of music. This is gonna be like replay for sure. Little Nightmares concept, backrooms? Maybe backrooms a little bit for sure. Bruh. I would have been choking on that ish, but that looks like it's refreshing actually. Yeah, and the bird's eye view shot of them doing it too. Going to another area.
And in the morning I feel love, I hug it in excitement. Every morning, every night, I always feel excitement. When I feel
psychness.
I still lifeless. Never loving alone, gonna lightless. I'm gotten lost.
Woo, that part right there again.
Never been to club before.
Love that change up. Oh my god, I just realized he has a fire extinguisher going to the face. Is that safe?
I never felt so free before. You got them girls.
Woo. I love the sound change in this too. It's like a short film. Cause like music videos don't always have to feel like a movie narrative, but he does put the effort into that. The whole team does. Shout out to the whole team that made this. This guy makes me feel unsettled. Ooh, they got like different, or else like trophies, suitcases.
Got temptation. I got temptation.
Damn, arm climbing him.
Got temp.
That was.
Incredible.
Lost is out everywhere.
Give it up for RM.
Unsettling, bro. That dude just happy to be climbed by RM. Real talk. He's still smiling. They wondering when is it their turn. What the fuck? The show's done. It's the awkwardness by the host. Yeah, I agree. Oh, I love this. Wait, hold up. Let me see. Written, directed by Obi Pierre. Ooh. Who's Obi Pierre? Let me look that up. Obi Pierre. Oh, he hold up. He does some interesting shit. Oh, he's made some.
What are you smelling at?
Okay, this is the director, y'all. This is the director. I'm just checking out the director. Okay, I see your work. I see your work, sir. Wait. It's a director whose visual flair is vibrant craft. Some of the biggest names in music and advertising, like discovering MTV. He started obsessing over the art of music videos and Obe. Oh, snap. Music videos? Who's he directed? Harry Styles. Oh, he did a lot of Harry Styles. He did Megan Thee Stallion's Thought shit? Hold the fuck up. That's so random though. Interesting. Oh damn. I just had to know. I had to like see who the person is. What was that ad? An ad? That was an ad for Old Spice.
I got temptation.
I love the credits.
I got temptation.
I love it. That's dope. And they give credit to everyone that's part of it. There's a lot of people on this, actually. Shout out to the editor, Gwen. Pineapple Studios is the VFX. Oh, snap. Opening and credits. Okay. And animation.
I got them.
Interesting. Right place, wrong person. Final thoughts. If your like whole thing is to make me feel lost, shout out to Taman who's right there. If it made me feel lost, like I felt a little bit unsettling, especially with the hosts. I don't know if that was the purpose of it. The beat is nice. I have to really look at the lyrics again to understand what or I'm just trying to convey like show. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. We're gonna be checking out the first. We're gonna doing a first listen soon, actually. When you see this video on YouTube, it's probably up on Patreon. You guys could follow the Patreon link in the description. It will be up for free, and yeah, you could just check it out and see my first initial reaction to each song. But yeah, all right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.